In this video, we are going to show you how to request permanent data deletion for privacy in Hermes Agent. If you want to do this, know that Hermes Agent is an open source self-hosted AI tool built by News Research. That means all data, including your conversational threads, memory, skills, etc., is stored directly on your local machine, and no telemetry or usage tracking data is sent to the cloud. So everything is on your machine, right? But if you want to do this, the only way to do so is to manually just prompt it using this. So we're going to open a new session, right? And here, this is what we want to do is Hermes profile delete, and then just type this, right? It's going to ask you if you want to if you want it to list down all the profiles available, and then if you say yes, it's gonna list up all the profiles you're using, and then just choose within those profiles. So we're just gonna wait for that to say. How can I delete? Right. So command, but the placeholder profile name means it still needs an actual profile name. So which profile should I delete? You can also run Hermes profile list. So this is what I'm trying to say, right? It's going to ask for you to open a list, and that's what you're going to do. Do that. Hermes profile list. It's going to list down all the profiles we have. So for this account, you only have the one. And then after it lists down the one, just type in on the prompt the profile that we want. So default. So all we need to do is just type in default here. It's going to delete our profile. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.